What's up guys, this is Elton. Welcome back to my channel. For today, we are going to be unboxing a keyboard from Corsair, the K70 Mark II. Okay, this is a pretty high-end keyboard which is priced about, let's say, $659. So that should translate to roughly 150 US dollars. Yes, 659 ringgit, sorry, not dollars. 150 US dollars. And let's just see what's inside. I'm going to be cutting this. So once again, this is an unboxing video, not a review video, as I'm actually, again, I'm limited by my hardware for long recordings. So let's just cut this while we have a look around the box. Oops, sorry. All descriptions are outside the box. Okay, 8 megabyte onboard profile storage for your profile on cloud. You can travel. Aircraft grade anodized brushed aluminum frame, nice and sexy, as what you see in most futuristic industries. And it's got cherry MX switches from German. This particular keyboard will come in its blue switch, which is going to be very clicky, very noisy, but yeah, it gives a very nice tactile feedback. So description wise, it's pretty much the same on the side of the box here. Storage, multicolor key, MX switches, and of course it's a full size keyboard with dedicated multimedia buttons, so you're going to be able to adjust your volume. You can switch songs on Spotify, go to the previous song, play, pause, fast forward, and obviously there's a stop button here. So let's open and see what this has to offer. Unfortunately, there isn't a display window here where you can actually tick tick tack tack tick tick tack tack test the buttons. You're gonna have to be close to your computer shop salesman to be actually able to test this keyboard. Well, it would be nice if they have a demo. So let's see. Nah. Unlike other packaging, there is no protective hard acrylic cover on this keyboard. It's pure plastic. So what the hell, for such high-end keyboard, you don't actually have a very nice presentation to it. So let's just lift up the keyboard. Yes, again, like other mechanical keyboards, it's a little bit on the heavy side. um, Take note, cable isn't detachable. Let's just open the package. Let's just open the plastic. Yep, there's only one way to open this. Lift up. Yeah, again, personally, I like this finishing, brushed aluminum compared to plasticky Cooler Master, Razer. Yep. So let's just put this down here. Cable seems pretty long. Okay, so I'm not sure why would there be two USB ports. I haven't gone through the user manual. Okay, it says this might be a pass-through. This goes into a CPU for sure. One thing I like about this keyboard is that there is a pass-through option at the back here, where you are able to actually connect a mouse if you have a wired mouse. And if you want to be managing your cable properly, yes, do connect your mouse right here. You can use it for charging, you can use it for data pass-through. There'll be more in the review video, right? Let's just pull one of these off. Oh dear. Okay, yep, German blue switch, MX cherry MX switches. Put it back on. Orientation's off, sorry. Okay. There's a slight wobble to it. The four buttons I mentioned earlier. Volume button. If you want to mute do not press this down. There is a mute button beside the volume button. Okay, at the back, yeah, I have a feeling you're able to actually wire your mouse through these crosses here. I'm not sure if you can actually put two cables at once, but yeah, it doesn't seem like it. So let's just put this keyboard down. Yeah, sounds good. Tick tick tack tack. I don't think I have to explain more about blue switches, but about cherry switches, but yeah, this is good. So also in the box, there is a user manual, yeah, which probably like other manufacturers, it teach you how to use a keyboard, how to set the 16 million colors or billions of colors or profile. Yep, all here in English, French, Dutch, Italian, Spanish. I'm not sure what the hell is this. Portuguese, Chinese, Japan, maybe Japanese. I'm not sure, and Korean. So okay, looking at USB K and L USB keyboard connector, pass-through connector. Yeah, this is very new to me, and I'm gonna have to figure out how to actually utilize the pass-through cable. All right, let's just put this down. Warranty guide. I think a 2-year warranty is provided with this keyboard. Opening the box further, there is a palm rest that comes with this keyboard. You're able to actually attach the palm rest to the bottom of the keyboard right here, but you have to be very careful at the back, at the bottom of the palm rest, as these are very fragile looking clips. All right, and yeah, if you ever break this panel, if you ever break these clips, replacements are available at roughly 15-20 USD. Well, that's what I was told by the computer salesman. Further into the box, interesting. You actually have replacement keys, which yeah, they're not rubberized, they're still plastic, but you can actually change out your hotkeys if you're playing games that like Counter-Strike, or I'm not sure what other games require this kind of keys for better identification. But yeah, a keycap puller is also included in this packaging. Nice and tidy. This is vacuum packed, so if you don't open this, it ain't gonna go missing, it ain't gonna grow legs, and yeah, it's a nice, you can actually move it as well. So again, if you would like to identify your hotkeys right here, just pull them out with a keycap puller and put this on. So there you go. The cables are pretty long as well. I'm not sure if they are 1.8 meters long, but yeah, I'm starting to like this keyboard. I might be using this personally as well. So there's a very nice click to it. I'm not sure what these 3 buttons are. We'll find out later. So there we go. Once again, this is only an unboxing video. A review video will be available shortly, and stay tuned. If you like my previous videos, if you would like to see more, kindly click the subscribe button on the left at the end of this video, and enjoy. Thank you.